and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video we're going to talk about Zeus Network Muses Atelier Galax campaign, guys. So last time we did the chapter 1, but now we're going to do the chapter 2, guys. So you need to finish all chapters. Bale 4 chapters yung kailangan tapusin, but as of the moment chapter 3 is not yet available, so I think it will be available on June 18. So mag-remind na kayo sa inyong cellphones or i-notify nyo na para at least once na lumabas is magawa nyo na kagad. First come first serve siya nakalagay, guys. I think pag natapos yung chapter 4 dun sila i-check yung first come first serve. So before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off the clock episodes. So don't skip, stay tuned at the end of this video para wala kayo miss na important details, guys. So now ito yung rewards, ito yung 4. So tatapos natin yung Urania Oath, nakuha na natin. So Calliope, Calliope na tayo sa second oath. So as you can see, this one 100,000 Zeus, pero more qualifiers equals to question mark. So check pa nila yan in the end of the campaign, I think, guys. So ayan, Dappy Gang NFT giveaway, so yung makakuha tayo. Apollo Testnet whitelist, so soon yan, guys. I think si Apollo possible magkaroon ng another token, guys. So possible kasi may Apollo Testnet, guys. So we never know, possible Zeus token or another token for that one. So now ito yung gagawin natin for the Calliope or chapter 2 Galax campaign under Zeus Network, guys. So as you can see, konti lang naman yung mga tasks na kailangan natin gawin. So we need to visit lang siya, guys. And mas madali lang siya. At nakita ko parang hindi siya ganun katulad ng chapter 1 na sobrang dami. So ito yung nakalagay dito. If you want to read this, it's up to you, guys. Okay? So how to submit, follow the direction, and use any tool to create your artwork. So visit lang naman siya. So wala naman tayong kailangan gawin dito as of the moment, but possible submit your work to get Zeus Sage. Okay, kailangan natin gawin yun, guys. So ayan, but okay na siya. So claim the oath. Total yung meron naman na tayong Calliope apprentice role. I think nakaano na tayo dyan dahil chinek na natin yan. So let's claim the oath and get the 5 points. So here, dalawa lang sila. Yung dalawa lang yung under na ano. So ayaw niya. So I think I'll be back. So I think di pa ata kasi tapos yung I don't know, nag-roll pa rin siya yung sa ano ko at sa takeover. So lang na takeover ko. Baka kaya nagkakaroon ng wrong. So pag ganyan, guys, balikan nyo na lang. So I think try nyo i-refresh, and kung hindi pa din, siguro balikan nyo na lang siya after a few minutes, on an hour, something like that. So wala. So ayan, guys, okay na siya. So na-claim ko rin siya after few hours. So ayun yung sabi ko nga sa inyo, nag-ano pa yung hindi pa nag-sink in yung Solana takeover, kaya siguro nagkakaganyan siya. But we never know. So the second part is the whitelist Muses testing wallet submission. So here is survey, submit your Solana wallet. So pwede nyo makuha yan sa inyong Phantom wallet, guys. Kailangan nyo kunin yung Solana address nyo, guys. Okay? So yun yung aking recommend. But if you want, pwede rin naman sa OKX nyo or sa MetaMask nyo na Solana, something like that. But wala naman kasi dito nakalagay na specific directions. Kapag walang specific directions, possible na pwede yan na sa Phantom Solana address yung pwedeng gawin, guys. Kaya that's I recommend. Unlike yung way back before, yung ginawa natin, diba, yung sa Parcel, guys, dahil partnership siya or collaborated siya with OKX. So OKX Solana yung kailangan. I mean, wallet, OKX wallet. So we just import our MetaMask wallet there and get to the Solana, diba? So here ang gagkukunin ko is aking Solana sa may Phantom wallet. So, yun yung sasubmit ko. And then once okay na, you can claim your point. So, 1 point lang siya. So, there you have it. So, maghintay pa tayo for the chapter 3. So, pwede natin supposed to be going. But, as I've said kanina, as you can see, 19. June 19 and 18. So, until next time, goodbye!